taken just moments after a magnitude 6.6 quake in Cotabato last October 29. The video captured the panic and chaos among school children as they fled their classrooms in Tulunan town, the quake's epicenter. There was a lot of screaming and crying.
Print ako ng test paper, so dito ako sa my office.
Grade 1 teacher China Nicole Villa was preparing to administer an exam when the powerful quake struck. About 50 kids in one classroom were immediately trapped.
Bakit kaya sila hindi makalabas, ma'am?
Kasi may mga bata dito, sir, na ano na po, na dyan nadaganan na yung iba. Tapos may mga natumba na ng mga gamit dito, sir.
The terrified students rushed to the room's only door. The ensuing stampede, plus the tumbling desks and chairs, bags, and even old tires that littered the floor, made it difficult for the kids to run for safety. China knew she had to do something.
Bahala na kung anong mangyari sa akin, basta magapang ko lang yung mga bata doon para makalabas lang sila, sir.
On the other side of the campus, classrooms were caving in.
Sa akin lang, during that time na sobrang lakas ng lindol, naisip na lang po namin na wag na silang ipadak, cover and hold. Kasi sobrang lakas, sir, baka nadaganan na sila nito, sir. Kasi during lindol pa, ano na ito, sir, natumba na ito, sir. During nagsishake pa yung lupa. So ang instruction namin sa mga bata, lumabas na agad. As soon as possible. Bahala na kung dito na sila sa labas na magkadapa-dapa, at least safe na ito sa labas.
While most of the kids managed to move to the open field, a number of them were also hurt.
Kahit anong sigaw mo, sir, walang makakarinig sa'yo, sir, kasi sobrang iyak na ng mga bata.
Due to the massive impact of the quake, help did not come right away. There was no vehicle ready to transport the wounded to seek medical attention. Desperate for aid, China took photos of their situation and posted them on Facebook.
Yun lang yung easiest way. Hindi kasi ako makatawag that time, hindi rin ako makakall. So yun yung baka sakali lang ako, baka ma-post. So kung sakaling ma-post siya, at least malaman nila na may kailangan namin ng tulong dito, sir.
Netizens picked up China's message, which got more than 100,000 shares on Facebook. Help eventually came, including some donations for the hospitalization of a student. Data from the Education Department show close to 600 classrooms were totally destroyed. More than 4,000 others have minor to major damages. Reconstruction and repairs could reach 2 billion pesos. In Cotabato, David Santos, CNN Philippines.